Winter. The season of hibernation. Time to rest, reflect, and nourish our mind and body. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about living with the seasons. It really speaks to me in this profound way. It's like an urge for a deeper connection with nature. A quote that has been used a lot in my life over the past couple of months is, "Everything has its time." For me, what that means is that I can calmly and completely focus on one thing at a time without feeling that I'm missing out on other things I possibly could have filled that specific slot of time with. It gives me peace of mind.
Vadå, han hängde fast kotten?
I en spricka så han ska kunna liksom komma åt.
Han har så här lagt den som en så här...
Åh!
Tryckt in den, liksom hackat in den.
Genius.
This is also applicable for nature. Everything has its time. Spring is the time for renewal. Temperatures rise, animals wake, plants sprout, and flowers blossom. Summer is the season for growth and light. Autumn is preparation for winter. And winter is resting time. You see, when everything has its time, there's really no need to stress about doing other things than what you're doing. Because you know, after winter comes spring. And you know, after a busy summer, there will be autumn and eventually winter and time to relax.
I don't understand how this can be so beautiful. Like even the dead trees with like the frost on them are just magnificent.
Wow. Is your hair going grey, young lady?
Oh really? I think it's freezing. I don't know how cold it is, maybe minus 15 degrees Celsius?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, something like that. But you can also really notice when the sun is going down that it gets colder very quickly.
Nature has its rhythm where energy is constantly changing. Why wouldn't I change my energy with it?